We gotta go to Otto's Autos.
Well, I guess I'll just get in the trunk then, if no one else is gonna get out of the trunk.
Fingal, I think
Why?
Bucky's gonna shoot you, man.
I think Fingal wanted to meet you, Sis.
What the fuck is happening right now?
Oh, hey, you're Sis?
Wait, you're Sis? Cleb?
What's going on?
It's me, Sis.
What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this?
Oh shit, this
Hey!
What the fuck
man.
is this?
What is
I'm Fingal.
Alright,
I'm
this
Vingo.
one, this one is cool. Everyone else,
Kinglemesh,
who fucking told you to get this tattoo?
Oh, we just thought it looked cool. We wanted to be hard.
Shelly
Yeah.
from Burger
Cool.
Shot.
Get the fucking tattoo removed now.
Okay.
We can't! They're tattoos! They're
Get
permanent!
it removed!
They're permanent!
He didn't like the tattoo, man.
He didn't like the tattoo!
He didn't like it, man.
I need you. Oh, wow, he's a dumbass.
Gonna be continuing what?
Alright, I'm petting him. Tell him I'm going for pets. Honey, am I clear to pet?
Smoking very heavily.
Yeah, well, he's driving like an asshole, and he's also trying to do shit like that.
What are you doing, Ramos? Put your gun away.
What? Excuse me?
Here, it was loud as fuck.
Sorry about that, boss. Didn't mean to shoot you. Hey, somebody fucked your car up? It's outside. It's inside the lobby.
No problem.
Let's see how long this lasts for. All right. I doing, bitch boy?
Lux, can you notify the cops that a man came in and shot him?
I was talking to Mr. K,
Actually,
not you,
let's
little
do that
cop.
after the meeting, though.
Oh, you know, I'm usually the bitch boy these days,
No,
but
I'm
yeah.
talking to that fuck boy, Mr. K, is sitting in the seat. Isn't that right, little bitch boy K?
That's right, baby. We're having a very important meeting. Can you please wait in the hallway?
No, I think I'll stay right here.
Waste of time.
Hold on. I have received important word. Fingal Dan has been spoken to. He, he really regrets. Yeah, he really regrets running away and forcing Lang to eat the charges when Fingal was in fact the one piloting the helicopter, and he would like to come down and plead guilty.
Too bad. Mr. Buddha's getting charged anyway. Just send him off.
Oh, I can't wait to see this prick in fucking court.
Okay.
Are you saying despite this
So,
exculpatory
Hey,
evidence,
take this down, boys. Take this down, boys. You got somebody pleading guilty to the charges. This guy's gonna push on me anyways. Take this down, boys.
in the face of exculpatory evidence? Oh my gosh!
Yeah. So, police.
Anaconda.
Please turn off all cell phones.
Get in there.
Oh my.
Ka-chow. Ka-chow. I can't. No, stop her. Stop her. No, the play needs to go on. No, stop her. Somebody fucking stop her. Get in. We have a whole play. It's fine. It's fine. Go back in, please. I'm dead. I can't breathe.
My body was wedged in between.
Who was flying? And who was flying, sir?
His name is Fingal Dan.
Fingal Dan, huh?
Sir, I was with Fingal Dan at the time you were being transported to the hospital.
There's like 6 Fingal Dans.
What?
You're aware of that, right?
Wait.
We didn't recover his body. Did he die?
I don't know.
Oh my fucking god, he's right. Fingal Dan, Pringle Dan, Wingle Dan, Gringle Dan, Kringle Dan, Single Dan, Sfingle Dan, Vingle Dan, Zingle Dan, Lingle Dan, and Fingal Dan with a PH.
It literally all look the same.
Okay.
Okay, Queen Pokey doesn't sound as weird as saying Pokey, my queen. That sounds more dramatic. I think, doesn't it? It sounds more dramatic that way. All right, let's turn on the music. All right, let's see. Pokey, my queen, taught me how to eat less breakfast. What? Breakfast. And as I wasn't eating, my X coin prices shot through the roof. Poggioli. Rich boys invest in X coin. All right. This makes no sense, but
Brother, bro. Oh!
What happened?
Are you good, bro?
Bro, it's obvious where to go, but you don't go in there.
Okay, go. Tell me where.
Alright, let me drive. I guarantee I find it.
Tell me where. Tell me where.
Literally, make a right.
Okay.
Okay, now make a right. No, bro. Go straight in the alleyway.
You said it goes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, here?
What do you mean here? Make a right here.
Okay.
Right, my friend. And then go straight. Right. Right, man.
Okay. Just making sure it's not here.
I'm literally telling you where it is. Right here. I told him. Bro, don't ever
Dumbass.
question me again, please.
Dumbass,
right?
you said
Apologize.
go right and I went straight, dumb fuck.
Apologize now. I said go right. You see that, man? The build different.
Neil.
Okay.
Well bless. Well bless.
She made a new account to come
You
back
will
and say
not.
fuck you.
You will not fuck with this. Do you understand me?
Yes,
Do you understand me?
Yeah, we do. Yes, Captain.
If you fuck with this and screw this up for everybody else, you will go in the hole for the rest of your unnatural fucking lives.
Maybe the real slavery's in the prison. Holy shit.
That's yes, God, Captain Fontaine.
Yes, Captain.
Stop using the S word.
And
No,
anybody we
Yeah,
think
okay,
is
maybe it's in the
running
prison.
is gonna get
Shift the
shot.
blame.
Don't even look like you're about to run. Even if that's not your fucking intention, you don't run. You work.
I like to run.
Pull over, you fucking bastard!
What the fuck?
Harry!
We could collectively push up right by the Taco Libre building. They're to the left if we go up.
Copy. If we're gonna push, we should probably do no more than 4 units. That seems like a tight space. We don't.
Transformation has been complete. You have transferred the spirit of the Dodo into the body of the chicken.
Yeah. Oh my God, my
Barosendi, we thank you for this blessing today for bridging the crossroads.
Oh shit!
Fuck?
You guys see it?
Oh, that looks sick.
This is powerful
My
juju
Dodo
at work
bird.
here today.
What the? Dodo.